Hello children, today's subject is computer. This is chapter first. This is chapter 1, the computer. So we have moved on exercise. We have to write now MCQs. A computer cannot feel because it has not feelings. It can do music and do sums, but they are not feel. Which of the following computers is the smallest and lightest? That is laptop. Laptop is the smallest and lightest computer. Which of the following computers is difficult to be carried away? Desktop. Desktop is difficult to carried away from one place to another place. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. These are our choice. A computer is an electronic machine. A computer always gives a correct answer. A computer cannot take decision on its own. It is difficult to move a desktop computer from one place to another. A laptop is a computer which can easily to be carried from one place to another. Now these are true or false. A computer is faster than man. That is yes. They have do very fast calculations and anything. A computer sometimes makes mistakes. No, because computer no will take mistakes. A computer does not have any emotions. Yes, it does not have any emotions. A computer does not let draw pictures. No, because it can draw pictures. A computer can be used writing letters. Yes, the computer make writing letters. What is a calculator? A calculator is also an electronic machine which is used for mathematical calculations. Write 3 things that our computer help us to do. It can be used for drawing and coloring pictures. It can be used for writing letters. It can be used for watching movies and listening. Write any differences between computer and a man. A computer never make mistake, but a man sometimes make mistake. Second, a computer never get tired. When man work for a long time, he get tired. Which type of computers can be carried around in our pockets? Smartphone and tablets. And next, parts of a computer. So we have to write this also today. MCQs. A mouse is used to drag objects on the computer. Next, a printer prints information paper. A headphone is used to listen the sound coming of a computer. The UPS keeps computer working even when the power goes off. Fill in the blanks the words given in the box. A monitor displays the work we do on a computer. A mouse should be kept on a mouse pad. A mouse lets us point at different things on computer screen. A CPU contains the CPU. A printer helps us to get printouts. Circle yes or no. CRT stands for the cathode ray tunnel. Yes. The UPS is fitted inside the CPU box. No. A mouse usually has 3 buttons. No. We can drag objects with the help of mouse. Yes. Pen drives are used to store information temporarily. Yes. What do the following stand for? CPU, Central Processing Unit. VDU, Visual Display Unit. CD, Compact Disc. DVD, Digital Versatile Disc. UPS, Uninterrupted Power Supply. Answer the following questions. Write the functions of the CPU. The parts where the computer store data. The button for the switching on and off the computer. What is keyboard? Are all the keyboards the same? A keyboard has many keys on it. There are many types of keyboards having different number of keys. What is a pen drive used for? A pen drive is used for store information temporarily. What is hard disk used for? Hard disk used for storing information. Now we will take third lesson also, uses of computer. MCQs. In a library, computers are used to maintain the records books. ATM stands for automated teller machine. Fashion designers use computer to design clothes. Satellites are electronic machines which are sent to the space. Fill in the blanks. Computers are used in schools to keep students' records. We can book air and train tickets on computers. In hospitals, doctors use computers to perform operations. Computers are used to send messages called emails. Computers are used to launch satellites. Write yes or no. In schools, computers are used to keep fee records for the students. Yes. There is no use of computers in banks. No, because computers are used in banks. In offices, computers are used to prepare documents and get their printouts. Yes. We can make animated movies with the help of computers. Yes. Computers are used to forecast weather. Yes. Now answer the following questions. Name any two places where the computers are generally used. A bank and hospital. Write any use of the computer in schools. Teachers use computers to teach the students. For what purposes are computers used at railway stations and airports? Computers are used to book train and flight tickets. What is an ATM used for? We can deposit and withdraw money from ATM. What is the use of computers in space research? Computers help us to launch and control satellites and rockets in the space of research. And fourth question, starting and shutting down a computer. Okay, we will move in exercise. Tick out the correct options. After switching on the main supply button, we switch on the power button of UPS to the start computer. Small pictures that we see on the desktop are called icons. To shut down the computer, we first click on the start button. Fill in the blanks. A computer runs on electricity. To start the computer, we first switch on the main power supply button. To shut down the computer, we first click on the start button. There are maybe many icons on the desktop. Write yes or no this. A computer should be operated carefully. Yes. A computer like other electrical machines can be switched on and off. Yes. The shutdown button is present on the CPU box. No. The start button is located in the top right corner of the desktop. No. We should turn off the computer by following the step-by-step method. Yes. Write down the steps of which on the computer. Switch on the main power supply button. Switch on the UPS power button. Once the UPS is switched on, switch on the CPU power button. Finally, switch on the monitor power button to see the display on the screen. Why do we use UPS? And UPS is used to give the backup power when there is a power cut. Write down the steps to shut down the computer. Click on the start button, then opens the shut menu. Second, then click on the shutdown button on the lower slide of the start menu. Third, a message showing on the computer is shutting down appears on the monitor. Fourth, switch off the monitor power button, then the switch of the UPS power button and the main power supply button.